Hi everyone, welcome to my channel if you're new. Welcome back if you're one of my subscribers. If you're new, hit the subscribe button. BREO Box. Monthly subscription for tech guys like me. It's very random. No idea what I'm going to get in it. I guess it's something like $250 worth of stuff within each month. And you end up paying, like, I forget what I paid, but it wasn't nearly as much. But granted, sometimes you get good things, sometimes you get things that you'll never use in your life that you're going to want to resell. So this thing says this side up, so I'm gonna go ahead and open this thing up this way, or try to. It's kind of weirdly wrapped. Oh, okay, it's different. So last time it was like a box within a box. This time it's kind of like a, I don't know, like they have this. Oh, okay, so I kind of opened it wrong. So it opens up. It opens up like this, and then you have the bag, and then oh wow, okay, there's a lot of stuff in here. And then what I like is, let's do this. So they have labeling, comes with a BREO Box scent. You put this in your clothing, basically just put it in your closet, sit it there, and it helps clean the air, like smell. Leaves that like wood smell to your closet. Absolutely love that. So let's check this out. Last time it came with like an open closed box, so this time it's kind of different. I'm trying to do this at a distance and then I'll come forward with it. Alright, so the bag is kind of tight. Oh wow, okay. I guess just eeny meeny miny moe it. Smallest thing first, so you have a, what is this? The Meatstick. Okay, Meatstick. What is this? Smart wireless meat thermometer. Oh, so basically ceramic handle, handles up to 572 Fahrenheit, 300 Celsius max. Stainless steel probe. Requires a device with Android or Apple, Bluetooth, wireless range up to 30 feet. So this is going to be awesome because you can basically put this in your meat, like inside, like, you know, put it inside a chicken or whatever, stuff it in there, and then just leave it in there and throw it in your oven or whatever. I mean, 300 Celsius is really high. I mean, I don't think you want to cook anything at 572 Fahrenheit. So you basically put that in your meat wherever you want it, and you just, you know, stuff it down in. So then whenever that temperature that you want it to be hits it, you're good. So now it's less check. You can just set this to the, I'm assuming there's an app, set it to it. I'm gonna have to check this out. This is gonna be awesome. So it makes my smoker much easier, because I usually like leave it for, you know, a certain amount of hours and then you check on it. So the next thing is, oh, I've been needing one of these. I've been wanting to try this. Oh my god. I've been wanting to try this for a long time. I've seen these before. So it's like a grill cleaner, but it's like a kit. So it comes with everything you need, like for moist food safe, tough barbecue grill cleaning wipes, natural cleaning agents, swipe away grease and grime, clean and healthy grill every time you cook. I actually have been needing this. So it's like, it looks like it has like 25 wrap, like to clean it and stuff. Instructions. Awesome! Definitely also going to use this, because the smoker I have is one of the egg ones, ceramic egg. So it does have like the grill top in the inside that needs cleaned every time. Then you have your summer vibes, because whole lots of sunshine and we all deserve it. So you have this. Don't know if that QR code means anything. You can probably scan it and get whatever it is that my thing's free. Don't know. That's pretty cool. Instruction, like basically information about the box. So don't necessarily need this, but that's still definitely cool. I wonder how this works as far as how well for, it shows a motorcycle. I have my car, but my car is like low profile racing tires. So I don't really think how well this would work for it to inflate, but I can definitely try it out. It doesn't say what the max PSI is, but it's also like a power bank. So it has a power bank, LCD, pressure control button. So that's kind of neat. I wonder, so it doesn't say what the max PSI is. So I'm definitely gonna have to play around with this, and I'm curious to see what the max PSI is with this, to see if this will even work for my car tire. Because it says quick inflation, ultra high pressure, so maybe it'll work for a car? I don't know, because it only shows like a motorcycle and bikes and outdoor like stuff like floaties and stuff like that. I don't own a pool, so, but this will definitely come in handy as well. So you can, I'm gonna put the prices I pull these up that they show online. That way you can get an idea of the total price that this was worth. Check this out. What is this? Corkcicle? So Decapinator, the coolest bottle opener ever. So, oh, I've seen these. Oh my god. Oh, my bar just got a little bit cooler. I wonder if it damages the beer caps when you pull them off though, but it's like designed for taking beer bottle caps off. So that's really cool. I wonder if it doesn't damage them when you pull it off, because see, it shows like a damaged one on here. And I actually have like a beer cap map that I've been putting them in, but it's really hard to pull off like beer caps without like bending them in that. It takes a little bit of finesse. But check that out. And then the last thing that's in here, oh, this cool bag, by the way. Cool little laundry bag or whatever you just want to use it. But you have the 3-speed Cool Breeze Flex Neck Fan. Definitely going to use this if we go to the beach. 360 cooling. So you can pull this out, put it over your neck. You just walk around and it blows the breeze. So I'm going to have to try this out as well. Oh yeah. But, so that is everything that this came with. What do you think? It's a lot of stuff. Definitely a lot of stuff. Here's the value of everything. I mean, you tell me. Think it's worth the price? I think so. That's a lot of stuff, but I won't know for sure until I look this stuff up online to see the actual value. But thank you for checking it out. In another 3 months, because it comes every 3 months, I'll get another box. So we'll see what it ends up being. So it's what, 4 boxes in a year. So yeah, check it out. Check out whatever other video YouTube recommends to you, and check out my other last, like 3 months ago, the earlier one that I had gotten that it was okay. It wasn't the best, but this one pretty cool. Definitely worth it. Check out those videos. Subscribe. Bye.